This is Seth, the business manager, and Dusty, the organizer, for Ironworkers Local 89 in Iowa. Without CPN, they start the day the old way. Dusty bounces between non-union job sites, inefficiently. Details get missed. Photos don't get taken. Opportunities slip by. Without CPN, Seth tries to piece together contractor details, job locations, and member information, often after the fact. Don't organize like this. Now, watch what happens when Seth and Dusty use CPN. Seth uses CPN to strengthen relationships with signatory contractors, seeing exactly where they're working, what projects are coming, and the manpower they'll need. Dusty uses CPN to identify non-union projects, document compliance issues, and recruit skilled workers into the union. Everything is captured on-site in real time. Less driving, more organizing. Don't organize the hard way. Be like Seth and Dusty. Use CPN.